What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have a new smartphone from Blackview. This one is Blackview A95. This one comes with Helio P70 SoC from MediaTek. This one is a very cheap smartphone, but don't judge this smartphone based on its price because this one performs beyond its price tag. Well, let's start from unboxing. I have given the price and the purchase link in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead. There is a discount coupon for the subscribers and viewers of this channel. Well, let's start our video, but before that, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. The like button is over there. There is a subscription button that's for free. Subscription on YouTube is totally free, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the like button. Powered by Android 11. This one comes with stock Android, 6.528-inch HD plus water drop screen, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, 4380 mAh battery. There is a 8MP front camera and a 20MP rear camera. After you open the box, again there is confirmation. There is a screen protector, and on top of the screen protector they have printed it 6.528-inch HD plus water drop screen, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, front 8MP, rear 20MP camera, 4380 mAh battery. Wow, the phone itself comes in a TPU silicon protective case. Let's put the phone aside and check what else we have got inside the box. There is a SIM ejector tool, a proper user manual. Yeah, there is a 18-watt fast charger and a USB A to USB-C charging cable. Well, let's unwrap it from its protective case. I really like the color. The color is amazingly beautiful. Yeah, you may find the design similar to some other smartphone. I mean, this camera block seems actually a bit similar to another brand, but other than that, this design and in-hand feelings is amazingly well. This one weighs only 195 grams. Let's check whether it's true or not. Oh, they said it's 195 grams, but it's less than 195 grams. It's 194.4 grams. On top there is nothing but a secondary noise cancellation microphone, volume rocker, and power button is on the right side. Yeah, fingerprint sensor is also integrated into the power button. At the bottom you will find speaker grill, USB-C and primary microphone. There is nothing but the SIM tray on the left side. The original price of this smartphone is $215, but there are a lot of discount codes for the subscribers and viewers of this channel. So if you properly use the discount codes, the price will go down to $135. But in hand, this one doesn't feel like a $135 smartphone. This one feels so premium. Really, this is one of the first budget smartphones that feels so premium. When Blackview contacted with me and told me that they are gonna send me a smartphone, they want me to do a review video, I said no, I don't want, because I'm busy. But they've told me like, okay, try. You just try. If you like it, then you do the review video. If you don't like it, just keep it or return it, whatever. And after I have used this one, this is actually the second one. I have another that we are using in this studio. After we have used this Blackview A95, okay, Blackview have done magic with this one. Amazing build quality, only 8.55mm thickness, weight is less than 195 grams, in hand feels very good, comes with a rather standard, or if you say cheap, then it's cheap but usable protective case, a TPU silicon protective case, and this protective case actually doesn't make it look ugly. The most important part about this phone is its operating system. This one comes with Android 11 and you will get another update. So that's a very big thing. Within this price range, usually we don't get that type of update. Well, let's power on this Blackview A95. Let's see how well it performs. Well, let's check the display performance and then let's check sound performance. I mean, how good is the loudspeaker? After that, I will play some games and talk about gaming performance. If you want, I can run benchmark on this one. But I actually don't want to run benchmark on budget smartphones because a budget smartphone won't get a very high benchmark score. So I think that doesn't make any sense. Yes, this is a budget smartphone. This one costs less than 200 US dollars, comes with MediaTek Helio P70 SoC and HD Plus screen. We have already checked display performance, but what about gaming performance? Can we play games on this one? I have been playing Real Racing 3 on this one and actually I did not feel any issues. Okay, let me try to play this Real Racing 3 one more time. Let me show you that there is no lags, there is no hiccups, and display performance, graphics performance, thermal performance, everything is as usual. You cannot expect a lot from this smartphone, but we can expect a very smooth gaming performance in medium graphics settings, and that actually happens. But if you say, oh, why can't I play PUBG in high graphics settings, then I should say, okay, please go see a doctor. You cannot expect premium performance from a budget or affordable smartphone. Okay, let's talk about the camera of this smartphone. This one comes with a 20 megapixel main sensor and there are two other auxiliary sensors. The main sensor, that one takes pretty good quality photos. Let me take 2 or 3 photos over here and then share with you. Shot on A95, colors are very vivid and vibrant. There are a lot of details, but a bit too sharp, I would say. There is night mode, video mode, photo mode, beauty mode, and more. In more, you will get pro mode, portrait color retention, and mono. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in camera performance, then please check that other video that I have made. Okay, let me talk about battery life or screen on time. I have managed to get 9 hours of screen on time, which is like pretty amazing considering all the smartphones that I have. I usually use flagship smartphones and none of the flagship smartphones goes beyond 6 or 7 hours. But 9 hours of screen on time, that's really crazy. Considering the battery size, this is insane because this one comes with a 4308 mAh battery. But if you ask me about charging time, charging speed, then it takes a bit of a time. Actually, this one takes around 1 hour and 35 minutes to get fully charged, so that's a long time. Well, it's time to wrap up. Actually, I like this one because this one offers a very good price-performance ratio. What you are paying, you are getting more than that. Usually most of the smartphones, budget smartphones, you get budget performance, but this one offers lower mid-range type of performance. Considering the RAM, this one comes with 8GB of RAM. Usually all other budget smartphones comes with 4 or 6GB of RAM, but this one comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. Also, this one looks amazing. In hand, this one feels premium and I have never felt any issues, any lag or anything. In daily life, in day-to-day usage, this one is one of the best budget smartphone. I have tested 3 other budget smartphones while I was recording this video. I mean, last 3 days I have tested other budget smartphones which costs around 150 to 250 US dollars, and I believe this one performed the best and provided me with the most satisfaction. Well, what do you think about this smartphone? If you have any question regarding this smartphone, please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below and ask me. I will be very happy to answer this. I will be very happy to answer your questions. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. The like button is over there. If you want me to do any other review of any other budget smartphones, then please make a comment and let me know the name. I will buy that one and I will do another review video. This is all about Blackview A95. If you have loved this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the love and stay tuned.